Hello everyone, this is Amanda Brett, watercolour artist from New Zealand. Today I thought we would do a little bit of drawing and doing some people sketches and how do we start painting, drawing people. And it's quite a difficult thing because, you know, we think we should know the shapes of people, but when it boils down to it, you know, maybe we haven't had the opportunity to observe as much as we thought we had. Anyway, to start off with, I just wanted to show you a few of my sketches. This is about 0.00001% of the sketches and the pile of rubbish that I have, and I throw nothing out, which rightly or wrongly, but I just wanted to show you some of the sketches that I do of people. I keep it fairly loose, and you can see it's not particularly big. There's my pencil, and excuse me, I wanted to sketch these two in particular, in this particular one, just to make sure that I could do them. Yeah, so when I've got a shape that I think, I haven't done that for a long time, or maybe I haven't done a particular thing at all for forever ever, I need to practice it before I commit it to my watercolor paper. If I've got a full sheet painting and there is a shape that I need to add in, and I've nearly finished the painting, I don't want to make a mistake. I don't have time. I don't want to waste my paper, and I don't want to waste my paint nor my time by painting in something that's wrong that I can't resolve. So anyway, that's why I do this. So yeah, here's a note here. Note the roundness. Shirt hem following around the shape of the butt. Hem of shorts around the calf. Interesting point. Okay, so that's that one. Oh, and I also mentioned in the blog post that accompanying blog post, I talked about cows. So here's my cows. And I did those with a general sketching pencil. This is a 6B. But they're really fantastic. They are not a carpenter's pencil. And just some more fooling around. You can see my sketches get badly treated because I've got splatter and all sorts of stuff, all of them. Fooling around with some different shapes. And this guy was in Florence. And this was his mate in Florence. And this chap is in Bagni de Lucca. He's the butcher. And this is Kenny. He's so lovely. Okay, let's just shift into here. Sorry, just zoom into here. I can't zoom this gadget in because I don't know how to do it. Anyway, just some more sketches for people, and I wanted to make sure I could do them. And the consideration was how much detail would I need. This is where they're going to go. And how big are they going to be. But it's a good idea to sketch and sort of figure them out first before you launch into a painting and find out that you can't do what you want to do. Oh, just little crowds. Yeah. Oh, here's a crowd. Another wee scene in Lucca. This is at the market at, can't think of the name of the piazza. It's, can't remember the name of the piazza. But anyway, I've painted it several times. Quite a nice scene, but I just wanted to do a crowd of people and then maybe, you know, pull out another shape. This is Circus Cafe in Auckland here. Just a few people loafing around. And have I got any more? Oh, okay. Now it's quite small. Ooh. Sorry, guys. So I often do them quite small to start with because I'm just going to do like a thumbnail sketch, and you can see in this particular one I haven't even put any people in there because I got this far and I got the bug and I had to paint it right there and then, so the rest of the pencil sketch just went right out the window. What else have I got for you? And three guys pulling their boat because I do boat scenes, so they got to be able to pull a boat. Yeah, so what I thought I would do is just show you how I do a basic person. Just have a look at my pencils. They are all quite sharp, not quite sharp enough, but sharp enough to do the job, yeah? No blunt pencils. So I'm just going to start off with some light marks, and this is again based on these simple shapes, U, W, O. Okay. There we are. There's one man. I wish I could do them bigger. I'm sorry, I just can't seem to do these bigger. And I find if I paint, for me, if I paint people too big, I'm never happy with them. I don't like them. I don't mind drawing them. You know, I have got a few here that, you know, as I showed you before, that are bigger, but I don't like painting figures this kind of size in a painting. There's just something that's not right, and I think it's because they're bigger. I think I get a little bit anal about them, and then all of a sudden they're almost like a portrait. But this is not what this is about. Yeah, this is about putting a character or a figure in a painting. It's got nothing to do with portraits. I draw them like that, but that's as far as I would go. Okay, see where I'm holding my pencil? Halfway up the barrel. I always do this thing, this little squiggle, and I started doing that. Oopsie, big fat head. I started doing it. I can't think why, but it's kind of helped me to loosen up a little bit. Walking stick. And you'll notice that people's heads are often, you know, they're quite hunched over, often quite bad posture, and not very many of us walking down the street can you see our necks. But the other thing is, if you put them in a painting like this, they don't look right. There's just something not right about them. So that's how I do my people. That's how I start. And then they morph into more relaxed. They also morph into this sort of thing. Little bit of a value. And then do a person in here. And they've got a shirt on. Better do an arm down here. Better have some hair on. Oh, but Bob Dylan. And at the moment, because I'm doing boat sheds, we need to have shorts on because it's not summer here, but boaty guys always wear shorts. Four seasons in one day. And 365 days of the year they wear shorts. Okay, so there's too hard, that pencil. That's a 3B. A little bit of a silhouette, yeah? But it's the idea of getting the looseness of getting that person's shape to work. Nice coat with a big bit of fluff around the collar. Fun. So my recommendation is keep it loosey-goosey. Have a play with it. Fill up lots of sheets of paper. You can't do too much. And in the next video, I will show you how I will paint these people and how I do that and how I add them into a painting. So start off with your basic shape, UWO. Here it is again, UWO, little tiny head.